Farm family, yet another episode. To our new subscribers, please welcome on board and thank you for subscribing, because this is the only channel where we cultivate ideas for growth. So today we are going to talk about poultry farming. The demand for poultry farming is rising daily. This is because people do poultry farming for a number of reasons. One of them being as a money venture activity, as well as passing time activity, relieving boredom. So, there are different poultry rearing systems that one can venture in. And for our case today, battery cage system. So this is a battery cage system, as you can see. This is a system whereby birds are kept in identical rows and columns and a cage. So this particular system here is usually used under intensive agricultural operations, where mostly they specialize on profit making and productivity while using fewest resources as possible. So, before we proceed, let me give you a few tips. Perhaps you are there watching this content and you are thinking about starting this particular venture. So a number of things that you need to take care about when you want to start poultry farming. One, you need to put up a structure where your birds are protected against predators. Your structure must be well ventilated with good aeration. Your structure should be easy to clean, and of course, well spacious. So have a look. The birds are really having fun, enjoying their meal. So take a walk with me. These and much more is only available at Charlie Young. This is always your best agronomist and the best farm expert.